Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you a really cool trick where I'm going to erase lots of people in this photo here using the latest generated fill. So here I am in a Lightroom and I did like a basic editing, but look at all these people. Make sure you have the latest version of Adobe 2024 and make sure when you right click, edit, it says Adobe 2024. The way you do that is you go to Lightroom, Preference, and you go to external editing and see you have different options here. I can launch the beta, I can launch 2024, 2023. You want to have 2024 and make sure you've updated to the latest version. Then I'm going to go into edit, Adobe Photoshop 2024. Okay, so you see there's a lot of people, and the way you do this is first you take the lasso tool and you hold down the shift key and then you select the first people here and her, for example. And then maybe these people here. And then you click on Generate Fill. You click on Agree and Generate. By the way, guys, the 5-day deal just came out. It's absolutely crazy. What it is like 20 top photographers that got together that gave some of their best scores, and you can get them at a crazy price and it helps charity. It only lasts for 5 days. It's absolutely crazy. If there's only one training you should buy this year, this is it. Check the link under the video. And you see it did a pretty good job before and after, and the resolution's gotten way better of the time, and you have different options. I prefer that options. And what I would advise you when you have so much to do, just hold on the shift key and do blocks by block. Like I'm gonna do this block here now, and then that shadow here, that shadow is weird now. Doesn't make sense. Generate Fill, Generate. Okay, so let's do the next group. You hold on shift so you can do this, and you're like, oh, I want to maybe erase that at the same time, and with shift you can do that. Generate Fill, Generate. And then like, okay, now I have that shadow here, so I'm just going to select the shadow and then Generate Fill, Generate. And check it out, before and after. Isn't that crazy? And the resolution is way better. It's not perfect, but it's really, I wouldn't do like a big print on this, but I would use it on social media. So crazy before and after. This generated fill is amazing.